To show incoming calls as mini pop-up when you are using other apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen, tap Call Display while using apps, and then select Mini Pop-up. As a note, displaying incoming calls as a mini pop-up will be helpful when you want to avoid interruption while using other apps. It lets you see who's calling without stopping what you are doing, so you can easily decide whether you like to answer, decline, or dismiss the call. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.